Guys, I'm heading out of my house right now, and actually, it's my Pontiac Firebird. And I'm warming up the car. It's actually cold. I just did a cold start on it, and I think it's already at 1,000 RPMs. I think that's normal. And I'm gonna rev it up for you guys so you can hear the power of this engine. So this is stock. See? So yeah, this is my stock mufflers. Hey, B&W shirt. The stock mufflers on it actually has changed. The muffler for what is it called? I don't remember the name right now, but the exhaust piping, it's original. So yeah. Here we go, guys. Oh. It had like some dirt and stuff in the muffler. So yeah, guys, that's the rev of my car. So see you next time. Bye, guys.